After 10 years on the job, I was laid off. I was devastated. For 6 months, I worried constantly about finding employment and how I would be able to support my family. I had many sleepless nights and my mind could not stop worrying. The stress caused me to lose interest in many of the things I once enjoyed and began straining my relationship with my friends and family. My friend suggested that I talk to someone. Like a therapist. I had never really thought about therapy. As the months went on, my friend continued to encourage me to seek help. He suggested a few places in our community which offer affordable therapy sessions. One day, I decided to make an appointment. Individual therapy was the start of my path to wellness.
One type of individual therapy is psychotherapy. Psychotherapy has a few different names: counseling, talk therapy, or just therapy. It can be a helpful treatment for people managing mental health conditions. Psychotherapy is a way of treating problematic thoughts, behaviors, or feelings with the goal of developing healthier, more effective habits and coping skills that can help you work through what's keeping you from feeling your best. Individual therapy can help people manage long-term or severe stress. This type of stress can be caused by losing a job or a loved one, issues with a family member or coworker, experiencing a major life change, or dealing with a physical health problem.
I was really nervous about starting therapy because I didn't know what to expect. As I scheduled my appointment, I asked the receptionist questions to get some basic information. I learned about the number of sessions, the length of each session, and cost support options. At first, it was hard for me to talk about some of my problems with my therapist. I got emotional at times. I did my best to be open and honest with her so she could help me. We worked together to figure out how to set my goals and the steps I could take to reach them. Therapy got easier as I developed a positive relationship with my therapist. She gave me homework to do between sessions. I liked the journaling exercises she recommended. I also tried some of the breathing techniques she suggested. I had to learn to be patient. My problems weren't going to be solved overnight. Over the next few months, I stuck to my treatment plan and I noticed a change in my thoughts and emotions. As I completed the goals we set, we would evaluate my progress and create new ones.
If you don't see improvement over time, or if you're not comfortable with your therapist, don't be afraid to discuss your concerns. Your therapist may have ideas about how to improve your experience.
I began practicing the skills I learned in therapy. Little by little, I was feeling better. My individual therapy sessions helped me through a challenging period in my life. Positive changes in my thoughts and emotions didn't happen overnight. I'll admit, therapy is a lot of hard work, but it has paid off for me. I find myself approaching my job hunt with a better attitude these days, and also being able to sleep through the night. My family and friends are happy with my new approach to life and are supporting me through the process. Therapy was a game changer for me, and it may work for you too. Don't be afraid to give it a try.